The Sensex hit a fresh record high, an all-time high, surpassing the 39,000 level for the first time, and predominantly led by metal shares. The buying sentiment in metal stocks has been intense. We had shares of VEDANTA surge over 4%. We also had heavyweights like Tata Motors surge above 5%. Infosys, ICICI Bank. Across sectors, we've been seeing a bright start to this morning. However, in the larger scheme of things, what's really leading these gains and what's aiding the sentiment is the fact that foreign portfolio investors have been positive on our markets. The buying for the month of March has been high and has been consistent. So that's one factor. Remember, the markets are also optimistic about the RBI slashing its rates by 25 basis points as the likelihood come April 4th. So these are the two, long-term factors. However, we have a market expert Deven Choksi to tell us what's really led the gains and the sentiment this morning. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Deven Choksi. What do you think is the reason behind this rally today?
I think the market had to rally, and it is rallying also because of the fact that in the last month of March itself, we have had inflow of around 32,000 plus crores of rupees from SIs particularly. And this money has come largely, I think, from the ETF investors, who basically are known for putting money for the alpha bets, which means that I think they want to trade for the shorter period of time. And for this short-term objective, I think they probably, infuse this kind of funds, and that is the aggression that is what we are seeing right now. I don't think fundamentally things will change any which way. Economy remains quite strong. Economic growth remains, I think, quite positive. So I don't think that there are any new sectors which have emerged in this particular period.
All right. And what do you see as a key sector standing out in the days to come?
I think BFSI remains, its preference choice. Obviously, I think that is one area where you cannot be going wrong, because I think there the growth engine is typically contributed largely by the BFSI, the banks particularly, and it's in among them the private sector banks, the corporate banks are the ones that who are taking the leadership role. Along with, I think, the PSBs, but I think select PSBs where the weight is larger, like SBI.